Prevailing northerly
tornado warning for north central Scott County is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has moved.
Something tells me ES is about to go off. But look at this. We got something going on in east central Missouri in Lincoln County, south of Troy. Boy, my tablet better be here tomorrow. It's annoying the heck out of me.
Will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to
baseball stadium and really lighting up
Okay, which one am I gonna have to go to get this morning? Nope, none. None.
We've got one for Lincoln County and St. Charles County in Missouri. So we're heading into the St. Louis Metro, and that's exactly the one that is looking at.
And it's fine in Chicago now, but we're going to have scenes like this in Chicago later on this evening, too. So we're going to get a great report from Mike. It looks like the worst of that storm is north of...
As you heard at the beginning of the video, law enforcement reported a phone cloud.
Southwestern Carroll County, northwestern Whiteside County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:46
Whiteside County.
An extremely dangerous tornado was located near Comanche and moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Expected hazards include a damaging tornado. Tornadic debris has been confirmed by radar. The following impacts are expected.
Apparently we have a large tornado in Iowa.
Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. The tornado will be near Fulton and East Clinton around 5:55 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Lance, Bulgers, Hollow, and Thompson. Other locations affected include Soaring Eagle, Glacier Center. Repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Quad Cities.
Windows. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes.
That's the new warning they've issued right there.
Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m.
Yep.
for the following
East Central Clinton, Northwestern Carroll.
Illinois.
See? A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Comanche. That was pronounced Comanche. Apparently Comanche. And that lines up with the funnel cloud that the law enforcement reported.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected.
Look at that thing now. That thing is a monster.
Without shelter, mobile homes will be damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
We're continuing to watch this. Let me clear that off. All right, 6:15. We've got a severe thunderstorm warning for McDonough County, and that does include Macomb right now. The heaviest rain there.
Let me figure out what's going on with this thing.
Let's take a look at Clinton, because again, this is where I think what I'd like to do, Terrell, is actually let's zoom in here. Let's get down to street level and see if we can get.
That's not good that the thing got big. It was. If it's still on the ground, it's been on the ground since Scott County, Iowa. So it's been on the ground for like 30 minutes, maybe 45.